What's up, YouTubers? Here in a Subaru, and I'm going to show you how to initialize your windows if your one touch isn't working or you're having issues with the delay on the windows. So here's how to do it. First thing you want to do with your key in the car, come in and press your start button without pressing the brake one time, and then hit it one more time. This will activate all the lights, but it won't start your car. Next thing you want to do is come over to your switch, and what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold. You're going to bring your window all the way down, so you have to hold it if your function isn't working. That way you bring the window all the way down, and then when the window is down, you just press and hold the button, that corresponding button. So I'm going to press and hold it for 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to lift the window all the way up till it hits the very top, closes, and then after that I'm going to hold the button upward, pulling it to myself for 1, 2, 3. And then that will initialize that window. Now the one touch feature will work down or up. As you can see, this usually resets itself after the battery. Same thing for the other window. You press it down, bring the window all the way down. And then after you bring the window all the way down, you press and hold this button down. And then you bring the window all the way up and press and hold it up for about 3 seconds. This is how you initialize/reset the windows on a Subaru. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.